Hi everyone, it's Molly from Molly's Home Cooking. In this video, I'm going to share with you my mother's Moroccan recipe for our favorite coconut macaroons. They are the perfect treat for all the coconut lovers, gluten and dairy-free. Made with Swiss meringue for a crisp on the outside with a soft and chewy center. They are amazingly delicious. For a successful meringue, wipe all your tools with vinegar to ensure that there are no trace of fat or protein left behind, even after washing them with soap and water. For the meringue, we need egg whites from 4 large eggs, about 120 grams or half a cup. It's easier to separate cold eggs. And always use another bowl to separate each egg just to be safe and not to spoil the whole batch. If any yolk gets into the white, that will ruin the meringue. Transfer the egg whites into a mixer bowl and add 1 cup of sugar and whisk it well. In a medium saucepan over a small burner, bring about 1 inch of water to a boil. When it's steaming, lower the heat and place the bowl over the steaming pot. Make sure the water doesn't touch the bottom of the bowl. Now start mixing constantly until the sugar dissolves completely. It should take about 2 to 3 minutes. Or until it reaches to a temperature between 120 to 130 degrees Fahrenheit. If you don't have thermometer, just rub a small amount of the mixture between your fingers. When you feel a smoother, warm, and a bit sticky texture, remove from the heat. Use a whisk attachment and beat the egg whites on a higher speed for about 7 to 8 minutes. The bowl will start to cool down and the egg whites will double in volume. Check if the meringue is stiff and glossy. If not, continue beating for another minute or 2 until you get a firm peak. And yes, you can also make it with a hand mixer as well. It will take a little bit longer to get a firm peak, but it's doable. For this recipe, I use a finely ground unsweetened coconut flakes, also known as desiccated coconut. Add the coconut into the meringue and fold it gently till you get a creamy piping consistency. Transfer the coconut meringue into a piping bag with a large star tip, like M1, and start piping rosette on a baking tray covered with silicone mat or parchment paper. To make it fun and festive, I like to decorate the meringue with all kinds of colorful and flavor sprinkles. Also, I love to use candied cherries that I cut to quarters. It's really yummy. Be creative. Include your children with the decoration. I'm sure they will love doing it. Bake at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. It depends on your oven. The cookies should be slightly golden in color and not brown. Don't overbake them. Let them cool completely before trying lift them from the tray. You can color some of the coconut meringue with the color of your choice or just keep them white. You can also pipe them on a small baking cups for a different look and presentation. Do whatever you like and have some fun. Thank you for watching. See you at my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.